Okay, so I decided I'm going to start this little pocket survival kit. Otherwise, I'm going to say this, not worth it except for the 10. Honestly. Also, doesn't this make y'all mad when they use the reusable 10 as part of the 82-piece kit? I hate that. Anyway, you see it's pretty decent. I could probably boil some water in here or whatever, if need be. The first thing I think I'm going to put in here, which I think you should always have with you in EDC anyway, one of these. One of these, you know what's funny? The small little hank of, well, kind of a keychain type one I have is the same color as this, but I recommend this because it's paracord and it's a ferro rod also. Now, how would I put this in here? Well, simple. Dip, dip, like that. Actually, no, let's do, yeah, like that. No, wait, can I switch? Yes, I can. Or can I? Oh god, I can't, can I? I have no idea. Anyway, this is how it will fit in there. And it's good to have some paracord too. So, also, update on my things. I've decided the black one is just for keys. Except for this one, since this one has Toads 101 on. I have the Dollar Tree paracord on here. I have my... this is actually an old timer, but I dropped it and the thing came out. That's okay. I have my keys, of course, and also I decided to put with my Leatherman Squirt, which I recommend, my Shelby Co. P51. So, I have like, you know, so yeah. Anyway, also, you know, this is honestly going to be a good kit, because I know exactly kind of stuff I want to put in here. Now, who knows? I might actually put a Leatherman Squirt, or the, Victorinox, which I believe that's how it's pronounced. The SD I have, the little one, little keychain one, in here. Because one, I don't need it for much. Honestly. Since, honestly, I have this with me. And yes, this actually is pretty short right here. This is not. I have two of these, a UST one and a unbranded one. This one is more sharper, I think, on the other one, and this is duller on the other one, and this is, I can do this, and I can feel it. I can also put this in here, but I'd rather have it as a pocket EDC. You know, I mean, I could easily put this in here. I mean, easily, but I can actually do better with stuff in here. This is a part of my EDC carry. So yeah. Anyway, y'all. Hope y'all like that. And I've started building this. I promised I would do a kit like this, and now I'm doing it. Anyway, actually, honestly, this would be good for boiling water too, for real. Yeah, cooking and whatever. Yeah. Anyway, next thing, I might put some tinfoil in here, like enough tinfoil, and then like a little snare kit in here. Which honestly I could borrow from my pocket EDC, which is a UST, or not UST, but an SOL Origin Survival Kit, and a little kit I got from oh my god, from the little tin I have with that came with, you know, my with the custom NATO rations. So yeah. Anyway, y'all, hope y'all liked it. Thumbs up and all this. Peace, y'all.